Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 BMW X1. So you've got your eye control here, telephone and menu. If we just click on telephone there, it brings up Bluetooth menu. You'll also see there's a cog at the side there with option written on. If I go to click it across to option and then turn down to Bluetooth devices, you'll see there add new device or paired, Barry's iPhone. And again, you've got this option cog at the side, so we'll flick it across there. Switch control off, configure device or remove device, and we want a remove device. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 BMW X1. The first thing we do is make sure that Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Over on the dash here, go to the eye control, and you've got telephone there, the top right button. So onto telephone, you've got Bluetooth menu, nothing else. Click on Bluetooth menu. There, it automatically comes up, add new device. Now if you're struggling, if your phone won't connect or anything like that, go into this menu anyway and make sure there's a tick at Bluetooth. But here we go, we'll click add new device. So click the center. It's already come up there, BMW 64894. It tells you on there that's what it is. We'll click on that. Bluetooth pairing request, pair, and over here, compare this with the number on the Bluetooth device. Yes, it was the same. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. And there you go, BMW 64894 connected. Now, you'll have heard audio come on then, and you will also see Bluetooth audio. There's a tick next to there. So that's for both. We want telephone and Bluetooth audio. So turn down to accept and connect, click accept and connect. And that's it, it's connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 BMW X1. So first of all, we go over to music, and if you look here at the bottom, the track that's playing, click on the silver triangle and the silver circles. You'll see their iPhone and BMW 64894. If there's no tick next to that and it's on iPhone, just tick it like so. That means any audio that comes through your phone, whether it be iTunes, Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, a YouTube video, the audio will come through. So that's it. We'll go back to there and we'll click play. I'm going to turn it down here. Over to the system, and you've got the media button, the top left hand, click media. Now you see there, that's on disc, and it's, there you go, it's no disc, so nothing's playing. So if I click media again, like so, it brings up another menu, and you'll see there, sound or external devices. We want external devices, click on that, and then we want Barry's iPhone 12, click, showing what the same tune that's playing here. I'll turn this up, and then when I turn the phone up, the music will play through the system. That's it. That's how you play music through the system. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2017 BMW X1. So again, any screen, we're just on audio at the moment. You've got nav here. So click the nav button like so. I'll just move that up so you can see hopefully better. So we'll click the nav button. You'll see all these controls on the left hand side. If you click the selector over to the left hand side, click it again, then you've got a new menu, destination input. Click destination input, and we want postcode. So we just turn it down to postcode like so. And then onto the rotary control. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR. Now that's the letters. You can see numbers down here, but there's nothing highlighted. So we turn that down to further characters. Click on further characters, and that brings the numbers up. So then PR5, 4. It's defaulted back to letters. I'm just trying to remember what what our postcode is. PR5 4E8, and then we press the center for OK. So that's OK. Even though you've put the address in, you've clicked OK, we've now got to tell it to start guidance. So there we go. If I turn that up,
please make a U-turn if possible.
There you go. It's giving you audible directions and visual directions as well, and it's even telling you the instruction for your next instruction, the next maneuver you have to make. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.